Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you, just once, that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. If you're enjoying the content, please take a second right underneath the video to hit that thumbs up. I'm thanking you in advance because that's important for my growth on the YouTube platform. All right. Also, right now we have a giveaway going on because this channel has hit that 2K mark, which blows my mind. So we are celebrating it through a giveaway, and I want to make sure that if you haven't had the opportunity to see that video yet, I will link it down below to make sure that you enter, because it is huge, and I want to make sure that you have that opportunity to be part of the celebration of the 2K. All right, today we are going to be going through the Boxycharm Premium box. This is for the month of May. I do open up on my channel all the items prior to, so we could take a picture for Instagram, and then I place it all on the table here with the card. But I'm going through everything for the first time with you here, and let's get going because I'm so excited about this, because I'm intrigued. There's a lot of products in here, two that we had the opportunity to choose, because with the premium, it's that $35 a month box, and it's all full sizes, but they're supposed to be a little bit higher end, but I don't find that. I find the base box, I do just as well with both. So I really didn't know which one I would be able to choose, but also on my channel, I do get 2 base and 2 premium, but during the Luxe months, I'll end up getting the Luxe with 1 base. That's why I opened up the second channel. Then he came out with premiums with the wait list. I went on the wait list, and this actually is the box for my second account. This is now the base box and the premium that I have received for the month of May, and those both are from my newer account. So we'll see what happens. All right, so there's no rhyme or reason why you get your boxes, when you get your boxes. I really don't know how it all works. All the information that's on the card I will be also leaving in the description box down below, as long with that long number that is the variation. So I'm going to start off with the 2 items that I ended up choosing for myself. So the first item that, and because I get both, we're going to be able to see, because there were only 2 choices in each one, we're going to be able to see them both on this channel. So the first item is one that a lot of the influencers who get PR from Boxycharm got this product in advance, and they were talking very, very highly about it. It's called the Bloomeffects. It comes in this gorgeous, gorgeous packaging and in a gorgeous, heavy, heavy glass jar. And this one is called the Royal Tulip Nectar. And I started to look into this once I started to see a little bit more information about it. And on their Instagram, they have these gorgeous, gorgeous fields of tulips. So take a second to go on their Instagram to check out their page, because it is just stunning. So this says it is the healing ointment to serum hydrating, which will soothe, nourish, and help repair the skin's barrier. It is powered by a proprietary Dutch tulip complex and a bouquet of earth-sourced botanicals. Apply it anywhere your skin needs extra love. Try it as a moisturizer or a sleep mask, and they're saying this alone is a $65 value. So really excited to have the opportunity to learn more about this product and play with it more. But because this is the middle of the day for me and I've got to go back to work, I just want to show you guys what it looks like. It's like a jelly consistency. It looks, from what they were showing it when they were playing with it, it's, you need very, very little. So I'm a combo girl. I'm going to play with this, and then we'll start to learn a little bit more about it and see if it's something that my skin can handle. If not, I do have someone that I can pass this on to who has more of a drier skin tone than I do. All right, the next item that I have here, it was my second item, because you get to choose 2 with premium. And what I always suggest is, when there's color options, and even in lipsticks, foundations, concealers, whatever it is, I always go to the website first when we get some sneak peeks, so that I can know which color to choose. And the color that I chose on this one is Amareto. I really didn't know which one to choose. And this is something really unique. It is called the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Eyeshadow. They're saying it is an innovative 2-in-1 whipped liquid eyeshadow formula that delivers rich, intense, chocolate-scented matte color in a skin-centric cocoa tone that can be worn alone, for an airbrush finished, or as a pigmented primer. that locks down for 24 hours for a crease-proof water wear. And they're saying this is a $21 value. The few people that I had the opportunity to try who got PR, who played with this, they suggested that you only try this on your regular, when they tried to put it on over their eyeshadow, it was crumbling, they said. So I don't know if anyone played with this yet. So if you have, please leave it in the comments down below. But I think if I'm gonna try this out, I'm gonna try it on bare eyelid, because like I said, when they tried it over their eyeshadow, it didn't function the way it should. So like I said, I'll do a little bit more research on this one too, but based on the 2 people that I got the opportunity to see who got PR, both of them had some issues with this product. All right, the next one that we have here is from this brand called ODACITE. It is a BLNC Pimple Black Cumin Serum Concentrate that comes in this little box here, and there's a small little guy here that's inside. And this saying it is a formulated especially for problem skin. This is a patented serum that helps to reduce the appearance of blemishes. It's so concentrated that 2 to 3 drops morning and night is all that you will need to awaken the skin's beauty. The black cumin oil helps purify the skin, promoting a more smooth and clear appearance. They're saying this will support a fresh and clean complexion, and it'll visibly free your blemishes. So I do still get a couple of those, so this is something that I will try. And like I said, new product, new brand to me. The next one, I'm really excited because I've had the opportunity to try a couple of things from this brand, and I think I got introduced to this brand through FabFitFun, but now it has been in Boxycharm's family for a little bit. This is a body cream from this brand. What I have tried is their daily moisturizer and their night moisturizer, and this one says it has Mandarin and Rosemary leaf. They're saying it is a deeply hydrating body cream that's formulated with a potent bioactive ingredient that noticeably will nourish, moisturize, and soothe your dry skin to visibly restore your skin's elasticity and suppleness. And this is a $26 value. This is huge. So really having, these are usually, yeah, on these, they have that safety seal, so that is like more like an apothecary type product. So on the other side, there is a little pin in it. You simply pierce it, and that's how you get this guy open. All right, so really excited to now have another product from this brand to have the opportunity to try. The next item is one that I was getting time and time again from Ipsy. This is a very, very expensive line of brushes. I have received these brushes so many times in my Ipsy that I think I've had it in more than 2 of my giveaways and then some. So on top of it, just giving it away. So I find it ironic that now it's showing up in Boxycharm, but that's what happens when the 2 of them are now under the same umbrella. We're gonna start seeing a lot of crossover on some products. But this one, it's just making me laugh. So there's 3 products in here. These are very high retail brushes. I have not had the opportunity to play with any of them yet. So if you have, please leave it in the comments down below. This is from this brand called LaRuce Beauty. It is the On the Set Go. They're saying it's the get ready to cover all the bases with this set. This is a 3-piece set that comes with a dense dome brush for foundation, contour and powder brush for highlighting, and a blush and a small dense angled brush for eyeliner or eyebrows. And they're saying these 3 brushes are $96. From when I felt them on my hand, they feel very, very luxurious, but like I said, I haven't had the opportunity to try this yet, so please leave it down below. I should, because like I said, I've gotten so many of these, I think it's telling me that I should be trying these brushes. And then the last item that we got in here, I'm really, really excited to have the opportunity to try, because this is a brand that really, everything that I have tried from this brand has been amazing, and I know it's a very high-end brand, and it is called Rodial. That's what the name is here. I don't know if it's coming across. And it's saying it is a Dragon's Blood Eye Mask, Hydrate and Tone. And I found out about Dragon's Blood many years ago, and I think it was from Peter Thomas Roth. I think I said that to you guys. And this here is, it usually has like a reddish tint to it. And this is the eye mask, and it comes in a trio. What they wrote on the card here, they're saying, these are innovative gel eye masks combined with biocellular technology with Dragon's Blood Complex to intensify, hydrate the delicate eye area and an immediately depuff effect. The cooling effect leaves your skin feeling refreshed, while the extract will help reduce the appearance of bags and puffiness for an instantly brighter appearance. This is a great treatment for prepping before a big event, and this is $18. So I think this is really exciting. I think this box is obviously more skincare heavy, but I find that's what the premium box seems to gear towards, because skincare is usually a lot more expensive than makeup. So that's why I love getting both boxes, because I usually get a good mix. So this is from the May box. I'm hoping, keeping my fingers crossed, that I will receive the other base and the other premium prior to the Monday that we are all going to have our choice items. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that like I said, that those will come in, because I don't like to purchase things that could possibly be in my boxes. But they do give you, when you're on the page, there'll be a little banner on it that's saying maybe in the premium box or maybe in the base box. So that kind of gives me a good way of knowing. Either way, I'm going to be going in to make my choices on that Monday, as well as for next month's boxes, as well as doing a little shopping. But I will not be shopping with anything that could potentially be in my boxes. So hopefully, like I said, we all will receive our boxes prior to that Monday. As always, you know how much I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But more importantly, during this time, I want to make sure that everybody continues to stay safe so that we can all stay well, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.